Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add an hourglass body in Roblox. In order to do so, first off, here we are at roblox.com, and what you're looking for is up at the top left hand corner. You'll see three lines here. If you select that, it'll open up a submenu, and then you're looking for avatar. We're going to go ahead and select avatar. And once we're here, then you may be defaulted to the male torso. There's also the female torso as well, and the basic ones are really quite square. However, you have the Roblox boy torso, and that will give you more of that hourglass shape. You also have your body type here that you can modify, and you can show that you can get your character to look a little bit more tall and accentuate the hourglass shape. If you are looking for more in this regard, or if you want the female shape, then what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to go to the marketplace. So you could select marketplace, and then once that opens up, what you are looking for is most likely going to be under characters in the menu on the left hand side. If you select characters there, then you're going to see that you have a variety of options to choose from. Here you have the woman shape, and if you want the hourglass shape for our Roblox girl, then we can go ahead and click add, and that has then been added to our cart, and that is free. We are going to need to go to the cart and buy our shape, which we have now done. And then if we go back to our avatar, we're going to want to go to, well, we could see the Roblox girl torso that is right here. Also, the Roblox girl is showing up there as well. Let's go ahead and just select that. And you can see now that we have the girl shape, hourglass shape there for our character. It's similar to the boy torso, but just slightly more accentuated with the girl torso. And that is how you change your hourglass body in Roblox. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.